Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve class 9th polynomial. Practice set 3.5 and question is what? Find the value of polynomial. Equation is given 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 by using the value of x. What is the first question? First question given as a x is equal to 3. So we are going to solve this. So I am writing the solution. So here, as you can see, p is given, the polynomial is x, okay, equal to the equation 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Therefore, here x value is what? 3. So we will take, in the place of x, we will take what? 3. 3 minus 2, 3 cube plus 7. Okay, now 2 multiply by 3 will get 6. Again minus 2, cube of 3 is what? 3 into 3 into 3 is what? 27 plus 7. Okay, now next step is what? 6 minus, when we multiply this both, we'll get 54. 54 plus 7. Now again this and this will get minus, this both will get added, then we will get 13, because this 6 value is also plus and 7 value is also plus. So plus plus got the value as a 13. Okay, I hope you understood, because here the value of 6 is positive and 7 is also positive. In between 54 is negative. So we are writing 13 minus 54. After subtracting, we will get minus 41. We have taken sign of minus because bigger number having sign of minus. I hope you understood. So therefore polynomial x equal to 3 is minus 41. Now second question is given with x value is minus 1. So same equation will solve by taking value as a minus 1. So I am writing here, therefore p is minus 1 equal to 2 minus 1 minus 2, then again minus 1 cube plus 7. Okay, now here when we multiply this both, we'll get minus 2, again minus, again 2. Now here, as you can see, 1 cube is nothing but minus 1 plus 7. Now again here, now here minus 2 will come. When we multiply both, minus minus plus will become, then 2, then plus 7, and both get cancel, both get minus, means it will become 0. Then our answer is what? 7. So therefore px equal to minus 1 is 7. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now next question is what? X is equal to 0. So we have to take value of x as a 0. So here I am writing, or I have already written the equation. So I am writing here 2 in the place of x, 0. Next question is what? The value of x is given as a 0. So we'll write 0 here, minus 2, then again 0 cube plus 7. Okay, I hope you are understanding. It is very easy. Just we have to take the value whatever given and we have to solve this. So I'm writing here. Now here when we multiply both, we'll get 0, again minus, Again, when we multiply this both, and the cube of 0 is 0 itself, you know. Then also I am writing so that you should understand the steps. 0 minus 0 plus 7, and our answer is what? 7. So therefore, okay, px, I forgot to write like this. Okay, I am writing now x is equal to what? 0 is 7. So we have solved question number 1 of practice. See, I have solved question number 1 of practice set 3.5. Now question number 2 is given. For each the following polynomials, find p in bracket 1, and the polynomial p is nothing but polynomial, and polynomial is 0 and p as minus 2. So we are having value as given 1, 0 and minus 2, and we are having 3 equation which we are going to solve with the help of this. So I am writing here solution. The first equation is what? P in bracket x equal to x cube. So therefore p in the place of x we will take what? The first what is given? 1 is given. So we are taking 1. Then again equal to 1 cube. Okay. So here cube of 1 is 1 itself. Okay. Now here answer is what? Therefore p1 is equal to 1 itself. I hope you are understanding. Now I am going to solve second question with the value of 0. I am taking value as a 0. I am writing here itself because it will save my space. So I am writing here px equal to x cube. Okay, now in the place of p, this is our second. Okay, this one. In the place of x, 0 will come, again 0 cube. Now cube of 0 is 0 itself. Okay, so therefore p0 equal to 0. Now third one I am doing here. Third one, the same equation, px equal to x cube. X cube. Now here, as you can see, here minus 2 is there, so we'll take minus 2. Minus 2 equal to minus 2 cube. Okay. Now here minus cube is, if you see, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 will get minus 8. Now therefore p minus 2 equal to minus 8. So we have solved first equation. This one we have solved. Now we are going to solve this one. So solution I am writing here, p in bracket y equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. Now I am taking second equation with the value of 1. So I am writing here, therefore p is 1 equal to 1 square minus 2 1 plus 5. Okay. Now here 1 square is 1 itself, minus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 5. Okay. Now here you can see this is plus, both plus will become 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. So therefore p1 is equal to 4. Now here I am writing second equation. I hope it is visible. So I am writing the second equation with value 0. So I am taking here p in bracket y square minus 2y plus 5. Okay, now here value of y is given 0, so here 0 square minus 2, again 0 plus 5. I hope you are understanding. Now again 0, okay, then again minus 2 multiply by 0, 0 will get, then plus 5, then again 0 is 0, we get answer as a 5. So therefore P in bracket 0 is 5. As you can see, third equation is what? The same equation, but we have to take value as minus 2. Here y value is minus 2, so I am writing P minus 2 equal to minus 2 square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. I hope it is visible. I am writing here next step. Here minus 2 square is minus will become plus. So we'll get 4. Again minus plus, then again 4 plus 5. Okay, now here we'll get 13. Therefore P in bracket minus 2 is equal to 13. We have solved question number 2. Now the third equation is given, x is to 4 minus 2x square minus x. Now we are going to take value of x as a 1. Okay, I am writing here P, therefore P is what? 1. Polynomial of x is 1 as a value. Now again in the place of x we will take 1 is to 4 minus 2, 1 is to square minus x. Okay, now again here 1 is to 4 given, the value will remain same, 1, again minus 2 multiply by 1 and square of 1 is 1 itself, so I am writing here 2, then minus x is nothing but 1. So here I have forgot to write 1, so I am writing here again 1. Now when we plus this both, here it is a minus, here is a minus, so answer will come in minus, that is minus 2. Okay, this both get 0, with what remain? Minus 2 will remain. So therefore P1 is equal to minus 2. Now same equation will solve with the value of x given as a 0. So here I am writing Px equal to 4 is to x is to 4 minus 2x square minus x. So here x value is given as a 0, so I am taking 0 here. Now 0 is to 4 minus 2, 0 is to 0 square minus again 0. Now again 0 is to 4 is nothing but 0 itself, then minus here also 2 into 0 if we do, the square of 0 is 0 itself, again minus 0, when 0 minus 0 is 0 itself. So therefore polynomial in bracket 0 is equal to 0 itself. I hope you are understanding. Now the C1 with same equation, Px equal to x is to 4 minus 2x square minus x. Here we'll take the value of x as a minus 2. So therefore P in bracket minus 2 So minus 2 is to 4, minus 2, again minus 2 square, minus again minus 2. Okay, in the place of x we have taken minus 2. Now here the square of 2 is what? Sorry, not square, here 4 given. So 4 times we have to multiply what? 2. And if we multiply 4 times 2, the minus the sign will become plus. Okay, so here 16 will come. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Again here minus, here 2, again minus minus plus will become, and 2 to the 4. Now again here minus minus plus and 2 will come here. Again here 16 minus 2, 4 the 8, 8 plus 2. Okay, now here 16. Now here 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 minus 8 is 10. Okay, therefore P in bracket minus 2 equal to 10. We have solved question number 2 of practice set 3.5. Question number 3 is, if the value of polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12 for m equal to 2, then find the value of a. Here we have to find the value of a. Okay, so we are having m as 2. So I am writing here, in the place of m 2 will come, 2 cube plus 2, again 2 plus a. Now here what is given? The value of the polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12 given. So we'll take here 12 equal to 2 cube is what? 8 plus 4 plus a. Okay, now here I'm writing this side, this one, this equation. So I'm writing here, if 12 is given, then now we are writing 8 plus 4 plus a is equal to 12. Okay, now the a will remain this side. Okay, now 12 is here and this 8 will come this side, means it will become minus 8. Again this plus 4 will come this side, it will become minus 4. Okay, now after subtracting this we'll get a value of a is 0. So the value of a is 0. Okay, we have solved question number 3. Now we are going to write question number 4. Now question number 4 is what? For the polynomial mx square minus 2x plus 3, if p minus 1 is equal to 7, then find m. Okay, so what is given? We have to find m here. So I am writing, I have already written the equation. So I am writing here, therefore p if x value is what given? Minus 1 given. Okay, now here we'll write m. In the place of x, minus 1 will come, minus 1 square, again minus 2. In the place of x, again minus 1 will come, then plus 3. Here we have to find the value of m. I hope you are understanding. Now next step is what? Now we are having m minus 1 square, so minus minus will become plus. Okay, square of 1 is 1 itself. Then again minus minus plus, 2 multiplied by 1 will get 2, again plus 3. I hope you are understanding. Now here it is given p minus 1 is equal to 7. So we'll take in this place 7. Okay. Now again, therefore 7 is equal to m, and I hope you understood, minus minus plus, then again minus minus plus, then 2 multiplied by 1, 2, again plus 3. Now here 7 equal to m, this will become plus 5. Okay, now m is here, so 7. Now here m is equal to 7, minus 5 will come because it moved to opposite direction, so minus 5 will come. Okay, so m is equal to what? 7 minus 5 is 2. I hope you understood. When we shifted from left to right, the sign changed. So we have written m is equal to 7 minus 5 and m value is what? 2. I hope you understood. Question number 4. I hope you understood practice set 3.5, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The remaining questions we are going to solve in next part. So please practice it. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.